welcome back for another video. Today we're going to make another slime. I already make a video with this one. So all you need is a box with water, glue. I'm using clear glue again. I buy this new, so I make a video mixing glue. If you want to do white with some shaving cream, because I have a white glue here. Just that in case you don't have clear glue. Okay, just going to clear. Ooh. Okay, just go. Alright guys, so I'm here now. You can see I'm a okay. So first, of course, you have to get your bowl. Make sure it is dry. Next, kind of it. So, and then get your glue first. I'm using this glue first. Do you wanna do? Do you wanna do? Just put a little bit. It's kind of a bit watery. I don't know, but I cannot see some Elmer's glue. It's just in a. I'm going to do some shaving cream. Shaving cream. Chiqueta. Diba? Gas. Ay. Wait. Wait, bote. No. Kapatid na. Already. Okay. Tingnan mo daw to. Okay, so I'm done with my final plastic. Oh, this is so cute. I like it. It smells like a like smell. Okay, but I really like this noise. Okay, I don't like this much, so it's yours now. I'm going to make another one, because it doesn't feel. So, just in case, of course, I have tissue, just in case, because maybe I'm gonna feel like this. Don't want to go back and finish this. Okay. Okay guys, so you can see my basket of slime is full now. So I'm just going to make another one. Like, I got a many glue I can buy because I got the money. Just throw it in the dash can. Just control it. Ah! Just put in the trash can first. Because we need it. Okay guys, so I'm just going to make another one. Please don't be afraid. Please. shoot on the bit. Shoot on the tree.
Parang ako nung may kalman
Like, I really, really like it. And then,
a borax.
borax with it.
Naglalakot ako ng borax.
It's so sticky, like, super sticky. And then I put a bit more. Here's it. Looks like.
Sige pa ikit kita may kabuli.
Nga, no? Nga?
Kanino yung kanyan eh?
Good daddy. I'm so sorry guys for waiting because there's something to do, so where's the t-shirt that I was able to put in the trash? Edible. Ay. Okay.